Anyone who believes they can operate in financial markets without taking risk has simply chosen the wrong sport. Risk is not a variable to avoid. It is the raw material from which every performance is built. The real distinction is not between those who try to eliminate risk, because that is impossible, but those who possess the structure required to govern it. There is a relationship in markets that remains immutable. Accelerating returns means increasing risk. Building performance progressively tends to reduce it. This is not a perspective. It is the very mechanics of capital allocation. For this reason, the objective is not to trade more frequently, nor to chase every opportunity. The objective is to operate only when probability is clearly asymmetric. At Global Asset, this principle has become a non-negotiable operating rule. When we engineer a new financial framework for our clients, there is a threshold below which we simply do not operate. We work exclusively within conditions that demonstrate at least 70% of positions closed in profit. This is our minimum validation requirement. And this is exactly what we are currently observing on Amazon. A model capable of closing 88.3% of positions in profit across an already meaningful sample of 77 entries does not describe a favorable phase. It describes a decision-making process operating with consistency. A performance of 42.34% further reinforces this reading, suggesting that the outcome is not driven by isolated episodes, but by a repeatable operational sequence. When the frequency of positive outcomes and the growth of performance move in the same direction, what emerges is not merely tactical effectiveness. It is structural quality. It means remaining selective when the market becomes noisy. It means prioritizing the quality of the decision over the speed of execution. Because in financial markets, continuity does not originate from intensity of action, but from the strength of the architecture that supports it. A framework exists precisely for this reason, to transform isolated decisions into a readable, disciplined, and scalable process capable of maintaining coherence even as conditions evolve. If you believe the time has come to elevate your operational architecture and explore how to integrate a decision-making model designed to govern risk with method, contact our team and schedule a call with Global Asset. In a single conversation, a decision-making process can evolve into a structured and scalable framework.